So this is another tool. It is called the Hang Tag Template Maker. In this tool, you start by picking a template, and it populates these fields with some sample values so that you can see a live preview. And there are a number of different templates. You can switch between these by clicking the list. You get a real-time preview, and you can also adjust its size. You can also adjust the orientation. And once you are done, simply download it as a PNG or PDF or SVG. I recommend downloading it as an SVG because that way it keeps its resolution. And you can also adjust your colors to match your brand. Or you can adjust the font size to match your brand. And you can also generate these in bulk. Let's say you are supplying them to a large number of customers. In that case, you want to print them on an A4 sheet and then use a paper cutter to cut all of them. And you can import the product names as a CSV file. There is a sample CSV file here that you can download, and I think that is it.
By the way, I am building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects, using AI, which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.